Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. So I got a little surprise when I got home today. I'm changed now. But when I rolled in today, there was trucks galore in the yard, chippers, boom trucks, saws are rolling. So my lovely wife, I guess had planned this for the last couple months with this tree service to come in and cut some trees down for me. Felt sorry for me because I've been cutting all winter, and basically it's because the trees that she wanted cut down were right around the house. So yeah, they've been out here cutting all day, and they weren't here when I left for this morning. So when I got home, I was kind of surprised, kind of shocked too. It's kind of great. Got a big ass chip pile out there that I can fill in some low spots. So I got a big ass wood pile for next fall, but these guys are great. I was talking to the owner a few minutes ago. Garrison Tree Company, great guys, but I really appreciate, this being done for me. Usually I'm the one doing things, and to have something done for you is really good. So, but yeah, they took this big tree over here out. They topped those 4 trees right up here, which blocked the sun to the pool. And again, I mean, these guys are amazing. They cleaned everything up. If I didn't get here, before they left, I would have never known till I come out here. These 2 trees here were a thorn in my side. They were basically the last 2 trees that hung over our house, and I've been wanting to cut these for a long time. And yeah, look at the size of that trunk. It's crazy. But again, I mean, these are ones, if you think, this thing hung right over the back of the house, the back corner of the house, and I would have eventually got it, but it's kind of scary when you do things that you're not really good at, like climbing a tree or trying to throw a rope over a tree and cut each branch off. I would have had to eventually have a professional guy or a company or gal or whatever the case may be take care of it, but it was sweet of my wife to do that, so I love her dearly. But yeah, these guys are great. They're finally cutting. There's another big ass tree back here that maybe Terry can zoom in on, was leaning towards the pool that I talked about a lot, and they're taking that out. So that's going to take care of us for this season, and will give me enough wood for probably the next 5 years. So, and again, hats off to these guys, and hats off to the tree guys all over the world, but man, you guys do a great job. You do a dangerous job. So, and again, these guys are amazing. I've been watching them for probably the last 20 minutes. Taking everything into consideration, not damaging anything, and they put all our stuff back. So hon, where'd you go? I just want to thank you. It's like the sweetest thing you could have done, or somebody could have done for me by doing that, and had no clue until I come in, and I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
So, what was the idea or the premise on this to do this?
Because I don't want you out there cutting them down.
But yeah, it was great. I know these were kind of touchy trees, but I would eventually got them though.
Yeah, but these guys have been very, very good. They've been here all day. It's your early Father's Day present.
Well, thank you. It means a lot. Welcome. And that's why I was showing them, because
the last time you cut down a big tree, it landed on the shed. I just didn't want you have enough to do right now. So I didn't want you to do it, and this is a present for you.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. But again,
and I also had another little thing.
What? Ulterior motive?
I got like 7 more stumps.
Oh. Did you already tell them you wanted the stumps for your gnome village?
Huh?
Did you tell those guys you wanted your stumps for the gnome village?
Maybe.
Oh, okay. So there was an ulterior motive to this. Well, a little one, an ulterior motive, right?
Yeah.
So.
But it was mainly I kept it a secret from you.
Right.
Just so you could be.
And that's what I was saying to the camera, because I was so amazed when I left this morning at my usual time, 6 something, whatever time I left. There was nobody here, and you know, when you leave for work, and Terry was off today, so yeah, I come home and I even left an hour early because we were going to go to the shop and pick stuff up and, bring it home.
Yeah.
And then when I did it, I'm still kind of shocked. I got like ear to ear grin. It's kind of shitty grin. So, but yeah, these guys are great. And again, thank you so much. Look how it opens up, huh? Now we'll have 4 o'clock sun on the pool.
I know.
And then that one that they're working on now, it had.
But then you wonder why I was asking you what trees you would like down.
Yeah.
Then you have a curious.
Yeah, I thought that was kind of weird. But again, I always mark trees and set them up for my next year. But those I didn't mark because I was kind of leery, and not that I'm too old, because I don't think I am, because I'm still pretty good at it. But when you start getting messing around your house and and you're messing with big trees, like I showed you the trunk of that one tree, it's something you're a little leery, and you always put on the back burner. And I'd rather not take money away from the household stuff to pay people to do it when I can do it. And
yes, but you're getting older now, and I don't want you. I know you're hard-headed, and you would do it anyway.
Right.
So now it's done.
Very good. All right. We'll sign off. But I'm very appreciative and love you dearly. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. To everybody that loves to cut down trees, these guys did a great job, and would recommend them wholeheartedly. And either way, everybody have a great day, because I'm having a great day now, and I'm grab a beer because I'm smiling ear to ear. So have a great day and a good life.
I'm in heaven. Did you see all these tree top stumps? I've got such great ideas. He doesn't know, but it's going to be like a gnome town. I'm so excited.